Life University's Bachelor of Science in Nutrition is a research-grounded, experiential program focused on understanding the science behind good nutrition and developing healthy dietary practices to achieve optimal performance.
Ranked in the top 40 of all nutrition programs in the nation by Public Health Online,
our program features 6 state-of-the-art teaching kitchens and a live demonstration culinary amphitheater where students receive hands-on training in group learning. Our curriculum combines classroom learning with community field rotations and internships in clinical and management settings
that prepares each student for success as they pursue registered dietitian credentials
or work in the ever-growing food and nutrition industry.
A degree from Life provides more than an achievement in academics.
It represents an unrelenting pursuit of excellence in everything.
And a steadfast commitment to the innate potential inside us all.
When a group of like-minded individuals
set themselves on a path toward a common goal,
life becomes what you choose it to be.
What path will you choose to discover your lasting purpose?